Clapperboard: How to Fix Claude AI Message Too Long Error, 5 Simple Solutions. Hey everyone, welcome back. So you were chatting away with Claude AI, you pasted in a big chunk of text or typed out a long message, and suddenly you got hit with that annoying message too long error. Super frustrating, right? Well, don't worry, I've got you completely covered. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why this happens and give you 5 simple, practical solutions to fix it right now. Let's get into it. First, let's understand why this happens asterisk before we fix anything. Let's quickly understand what's actually going on. Claude AI, like all large language models, has something called a context window. Think of the context window as Claude's working memory. It can only hold and process a certain amount of text at one time. That includes your messages, Claude's responses, and the entire conversation history altogether. When your input exceeds that limit, Claude simply cannot process it and throws back the message too long error. It's not a bug, it's a hard technical boundary built into the model. Now that we know why it happens, let's talk about how to fix it. Solution 1: Break your message into smaller chunks. This is the simplest and most effective fix. Instead of pasting everything into one giant message, split your content into smaller, logical pieces and send them one at a time. For example, if you're asking Claude to analyze a long document, break it into sections, send the first half, ask your question about that section, then send the second half and continue. You can literally tell Claude at the start, I'm going to send you a long document in parts. Please wait until I say done before you respond. Claude understands this instruction perfectly and will wait for you to finish sending all the pieces before it replies. Simple, effective, and takes about 30 extra seconds of effort. Asterisk Solution 2: Summarize or trim your input first. If you're pasting in a long article, a report, a research paper, or a chunk of code, ask yourself honestly, does Claude need all of this? In most cases, the answer is no. Before pasting, quickly skim through your content and remove anything that is not directly relevant to your question. Cut out repetitive sections, remove unnecessary metadata, delete headers and footers that don't add value, and trim any examples that aren't essential. You only need to give Claude the parts that are directly related to what you are asking. Getting into the habit of trimming your input before sending will not only prevent the error, but will also give you faster and more focused responses from Claude. Asterisk Solution 3: Start a fresh conversation. Here is something a lot of people don't realize. The message too long error doesn't always come from a single oversized message. Sometimes it sneaks up on you after a really long conversation, because remember, the context window includes everything in the chat history, not just your latest message. So if you've been going back and forth with Claude for a long time and suddenly start getting errors, the fix is simple: start a brand new conversation. Click the new chat button, carry over only the most essential context from your previous conversation, and continue from there. You don't need to bring the entire history with you. Just paste a quick 2 or 3 sentence summary of what you were working on and pick up right where you left off. Asterisk Solution 4: Use the right plan for your needs. This one is important if you are regularly working with large amounts of text. Different Claude plans and different versions of Claude come with different context window sizes. If you are on the free tier and constantly hitting message length limits, it might simply be because your use case requires more capacity than the free plan offers. Claude Pro subscribers get access to higher usage limits and priority access during peak times. And if you are a developer working with large documents, code bases, or data sets through the API, you can access Claude's full extended context window, which is significantly larger. So if breaking up messages and trimming content still isn't solving your problem on a regular basis, upgrading your plan is genuinely worth considering. Match your plan to your actual needs, and this error will become much less frequent. Asterisk Solution 5: Use external tools to pre-process large content. This is the pro-level solution, and it is a game changer for power users. If you regularly need to work with huge files, long PDFs, big code bases, or massive datasets, don't try to paste everything raw into Claude. Instead, pre-process your content using external tools before it ever reaches Claude. For documents and PDFs, use a summarization tool or even another AI tool to condense the document down to its key points first, then bring that summary to Claude. For large code bases, use a code parsing tool to extract only the specific functions or files relevant to your question. For research papers, pull out just the abstract, methodology, and conclusion instead of the full paper. By doing this pre-processing step outside of Claude, you dramatically reduce the size of your input while keeping all the important information intact. You get better results, faster responses, and zero message too long errors. Asterisk quick bonus tip before we wrap up: if you're a developer using the Cloud API, make sure you're actively managing your token count in your application logic. Build in token counting before sending requests and implement automatic chunking when content approaches the limit. This way your app handles it gracefully instead of crashing with an error. Asterisk outrow asterisk, and those are your 5 simple solutions to fix the Cloud AI message too long error. Break your message into chunks, trim your input, start a fresh conversation, upgrade your plan if needed, and use external tools to pre-process large content. Pick whichever solution fits your situation, and you will never be slowed down by this error again. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Cloud AI tips and tricks, and drop a comment below telling me which solution worked best for you. I'll catch you in the next one. Quick recap: 5 solutions. 1. Break your message into smaller chunks. 2. Summarize and trim your input before sending. 3. Start a fresh new conversation. 4. Upgrade your Cloud plan for larger context. 5. Pre-process large content with external tools.